Here we have the basic stitch rainbow blanket. I have labeled, oops, I dropped that one. Oh, guess not. Okay, just hard to reach right now so I don't knock the camera over. So here I have labeled the what I use this color for. So the green is number 1 and it's single crochet. The blue is number 2 and it's half double. The white is 3 and it's a double crochet. I have a piece of hair on it. So I am now, oh, and the pink is number 4 and it's mixed stitches. So I have done the single, half double, double, mixed, back loop double, back loop single, sorry, back loop half double. So now I'm going to attach my white and do a half back loop double crochet, and I'm doing 5 rows each. So with the single, it's all flat, the half double is all flat, the double's flat, the mixed is textured, and then this gives ridges of the back loop crochets. So I have it hooked onto my yarn. I did a slip knot. So I'm doing a single crochet to add it on, and now I'm going to do a stacked single where I'm going to single crochet in between. I go into the middle of the crochet and I'm going to single crochet on top of that single crochet, and now I'm going to back loop a double crochet. I am hiding the ends, so I go down through the middle, and I'm going to continue the stitch across. As you notice, I am still hiding my ends underneath. So this is the back loop double crochet. And I'm chaining one at the end and turning. So yarn over, go through, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go through. Notice how I'm just grabbing the back loop of the stitch to do this. Continue on I'm going to pause the video and continue on to the end of the row. Hold on. When marking the labels like that is an easy way to remember what sequence they go into and what stitches you would have. So that is just a thought to where you have an idea of marking your labels. It's just a small tip. So that would help you to remember, oh, this is a half double, or I do the V-stitch with this, or this is the fourth one, and it just kind of makes it easy and simple. So I am still working on this row. I struggled with my chair so I could sit down, but okay, I'll be right back again. All right, so getting here close to the end. Sometimes it's just easier to go off camera and do it across the row instead of making you guys bored and unsubscribing to me. So I'm here at the last one. So back loop, double crochet, chain one, turn. So now I'm going in the opposite direction. So, the same direction. I just turn the material, the yarn and the blanket. And so each row you do will give a lip or a bubble, a line going across to show. So if I do it this way, you can see that the lines are separate and going different sides. So continue on for 5 rows. Thanks.